Welcome. In front of me is a ULEFONE Armor X12, and today I will show you how you can record a screen on this phone. So to get started, we're gonna swipe down from the top of our screen twice, which will bring down all our toggles. And on one of the pages we should have hopefully our screen recorder visible. Now, I don't actually see it on either page, so it might mean that we will need to add it ourselves. Now, let's do that by clicking on this pencil right here, swiping down, and I can already see it right over here. So once you see the toggle, you want to hold it. As you can see, it lifts up. Now you can drag it to the top, drop it, or top meaning above this text right here, and this will now become an added tile. So let's find it. For me, it's now on the last page. From here, we can just click on it, choose what kind of audio you will be recording, if any, and also if you will be recording touches on a screen, which is a semi-transparent gray dot imitating wherever you are pressing the display with your finger. When I just select start, it begins a 3-second countdown, and then with usually a notification, it starts recording. So whatever you'll do right now will be recorded by the device. Once you're done recording, you can pull down your notifications again by swiping from the top and selecting stop. This will then save your screen recording to your Photos Go application, I'm pretty sure, or gallery. And you can see it right here on the photos, or you can navigate to folders, and in here you'll find movies folder. There's a chance that you can also find it in screenshots if you have one, but by the looks of it, for me, it does not classify this as a screenshot. So anyway, from here we can just click on it, and it should be playing back, and it is. So there we go. Now, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.